Hello, and welcome to the Ozum Turk channel. Today, we're introducing the pride of Turkey, the Bayraktar Kalkan DİHA, developed by Baykar. Baykar is a leading company in the world for high-tech unmanned aerial vehicles, and with the Kalkan DİHA, they have achieved another great success. The Bayraktar Kalkan DİHA is a vertical takeoff and landing unmanned aerial vehicle system designed for reconnaissance and intelligence missions. In this video, we will discuss its technical features, usage areas, and test experiences. We will also share future development plans and other projects by Bayraktar. Now, let's take a closer look at the features and usage areas of the DİHA. The Bayraktar Kalkan DİHA, developed by Baykar, is a vertical takeoff and landing capability unmanned aerial vehicle system designed specifically for reconnaissance and intelligence missions. It is made of lightweight and durable materials. Its aerodynamic structure provides high maneuverability. The wingspan and fuselage length are designed to provide optimum performance and ease of transport. The weight of the fuselage and equipment is optimized for long flight durations and carrying capacity. It offers long flight durations, allowing for extensive reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. The maximum flight time increases its capacity for uninterrupted missions in the air. The DİHA provides a wide operational range. This allows it to easily reach and successfully complete missions on distant targets. With its high-speed capacity, it can reach target areas quickly and perform dynamic operations. The high ceiling altitude allows the DİHA to fly safely in various weather conditions and at different altitudes. Vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL. With its vertical takeoff and landing capability, it can operate easily from narrow areas and challenging terrain conditions. It has the capability to safely land on the fuselage when needed. In emergency situations, the parachute landing system is activated to ensure a safe landing. It can carry different types of sensors, cameras, and other payloads, making it customizable according to mission requirements. Camera modules, high-resolution electro-optical and thermal cameras provide effective surveillance and target tracking in all weather conditions, day or night. Additionally, the camera modules allow for live broadcast and image transmission. Usage areas and advantages. The Bayraktar Kalkan DİHA is ideal for a wide range of civilian and military applications. In this section, we will explore various usage areas and the advantages it offers. Reconnaissance and intelligence missions. With its high-resolution cameras and long flight durations, it can conduct extensive reconnaissance and surveillance of large areas. It is capable of effective intelligence gathering both day and night. The DİHA can patrol border areas to detect illegal crossings, smuggling, and other threats, enhancing border security. In cases of natural disasters or lost persons, the Kalkan DİHA can assist search and rescue teams quickly and effectively. Its thermal cameras can detect night vision and temperature differences. The DİHA can detect forest fires and provide quick information to firefighting teams. It can be used to determine the speed and direction of the fire spread. It can be used to increase the productivity of agricultural lands. It can monitor the condition of fields and crops and determine irrigation and fertilization needs. It can be used in urban planning projects and infrastructure monitoring. The condition of large structures and roads can be monitored, and the progress of projects can be tracked. It can perform monitoring and analysis tasks to protect wildlife and the environment. It can monitor wildlife movements and assess ecosystems. Advantages: automatic route tracking. It can automatically follow predetermined routes, ensuring the safe and effective execution of planned missions. When a target is detected, the DİHA can automatically track it. This feature is ideal for tracking dynamic and moving targets. Orbiting and return-to-home modes. It has the ability to orbit around a specific point. Additionally, after completing its mission, it can automatically switch to return-to-home mode, safely returning to the takeoff point. High-resolution electro-optical and thermal cameras provide sharp and clear images, enabling detailed observation and analysis. It can be customized for various missions and carry different payloads, adapting to different user needs and scenarios. The Bayraktar Kalkan DIHA has undergone numerous tests during its development process and has achieved successful results in various operational conditions. In this section, we will discuss DIHA's test stages and experiences. Flight tests. It has undergone comprehensive flight tests in different weather conditions and challenging environments. These tests were conducted to evaluate the DIHA's maneuverability, speed, ceiling altitude, and flight duration. Landing and takeoff tests. The DIHA's vertical takeoff and landing, VTOL, capability, fuselage landing, and parachute landing modes have been tested. These tests have ensured that the DIHA can operate safely and effectively in various conditions. Payload tests. Various payloads, sensors, and camera modules have been tested. These tests have demonstrated the DIHA's successful performance in different mission scenarios. Automatic route and target tracking tests. The DIHA's automatic route tracking and target tracking capabilities have been tested in real-world scenarios. These tests have shown that the DIHA is effective against dynamic and moving targets. The DIHA has achieved successful results in various challenging scenarios, proving its reliability and operational capability. It has been tested in various operational missions. These experiences have demonstrated the DIHA's effectiveness and reliability in real-world conditions. It is one of the pioneering innovations in Turkey's defense industry and will continue to develop further in the future. In this section, let's also discuss the future development plans for the Kalkan DIHA and other projects by Bayraktar. New payloads and sensors that the Kalkan DIHA can carry are being developed. These include higher resolution cameras, more sensitive sensors, and new mission equipment. Additionally, the integration of artificial intelligence-based systems is planned. This will enhance the DIHA's automatic target detection, route optimization, and data analysis capabilities. The DIHA's communication systems are being developed to provide longer range and more reliable data transmission. Furthermore, the integration of the DIHA with ground control stations will be improved. Its design is being developed to withstand more challenging environmental conditions. This will enable the DIHA to operate in different climates and tough terrains. Baykar is planning various collaborations for the international promotion and use of the Kalkan DIHA. This will enable the DIHA to be used by more countries worldwide. Manufacturer Baykar's other projects and innovations. The Bayraktar TB2 is an armed unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Baykar and widely used globally. The TB2 is known for its successful operations and effective performance. The Akinci is a high-altitude long-endurance, HALE, class unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Baykar. The Akinci stands out with its large payload capacity and advanced sensor systems. The Bayraktar TB3 is an armed unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Baykar that can take off from a ship. The TB3 is optimized for naval operations and is expected to play a significant role in the future. Domestic and national UAV systems. Baykar is a pioneer in developing domestic and national unmanned aerial vehicles in Turkey's defense industry. The Bayraktar Kızılelma is a jet-powered unmanned combat aircraft project developed by Baykar. The Kızılelma brings a new dimension to modern warfare concepts with its high speed, maneuverability, and advanced weapon systems. The Bayraktar Mini is a portable unmanned aerial vehicle developed by Baykar. The Mini is an effective tool for short-distance reconnaissance and surveillance missions with its lightweight structure and ease of use. Despite its limited flight duration and range, it stands out with its quick operational readiness and portability. These projects aim to enhance Turkey's defense capabilities and reduce dependence on foreign countries. Don't forget to subscribe to our Ozum Turk channel for more information and updates on the Bayraktar Kalkan DIHA. You can support us by liking and commenting on our videos. Thank you for watching.